Assalamu alaikum, respected viewers and my dear listeners. My name is Tuba Batul and I am a proud student of Young Scholar School and College. Today I am going to talk about how to become an excellent student. We all want to do well in our studies, right? So let me share a few easy tips that can help us. First of all, attend your classes regularly. If you come to school every day and listen carefully, you can learn many new things. Second, do your homework on time. Homework helps us practice what we learned in class. It also shows our teachers that we are serious studies. Third, ask questions. If you don't understand something, there is no shame in asking. In fact, asking questions show that you want to learn more. Fourth, read every day. Reading books improve your knowledge and makes your imagination stronger. You can read storybooks, science books, or even newspapers with your parents. Fifth, very important thing, respect your teachers, parents, and classmates. A good student is not just smart but also very kind and respectful. At Young Scholar School and College, our teachers are honest and helpful. Their values help us become an excellent student and good human beings too. So let us try our best. Work hard and never give up because we are all young scholars. We believe in learning and growing every day. I hope these suggestions will be beneficial for you. I pray for your success in this life and life hereafter this life. Jazakallah.